Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and quick recipe that we can make, and it's also a budget friendly recipe. In me when everything is so high priced, look at it. I got this rotisserie chicken from Members Mark. It just cost me $5, and here the chicken is well seasoned and it is cooked also. So I'm going to add few veggies here. Like here I have taken bite size baby potatoes, half onion, green beans, carrots, garlic, 2 to 3 garlic cloves finely chopped. Now I'm going to add spices here. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of chicken masala. It adds flavor to the veggies that we are making here in air fryer, and salt per taste. That's it. Now add 1 tablespoon oil. So I'm going to mix everything well here and add to the air fry basket. So the chicken that I bought is in room temperature right now, and I want to reheat it. So I'm going to put this in the air fryer. But before that, I'm going to make a slit like this. The chicken that we get here in Members Mark or the rotisserie chicken, normally they don't slit it. So the masalas normally don't seep in. So whatever you see the seasoning, it's all just on the top part. So inside it's not that, too much of flavor that we want. It's not there. So I'm going to make a slit and add all these veggies here. So the masala from the veggies will also seep inside the chicken. Now we will set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So first 7 minutes we will let the chicken also cook. Then last 3 to 5 minutes I will let the veggies also cook. So in all we took around 10 minutes to cook this. 10 to 13 minutes it will take in 385 Fahrenheit. That's it. One whole meal is ready in air fryer. Less than $10, Here you can see one big yummy meal is ready. I like to add chicken masala to my recipes. So here after adding it tastes really good. I hope you find this video very useful. See you soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.